Have you ever wished you could just pause time? Maybe to catch an extra 10 seconds of sleep or to think of the perfect comeback in an argument. It sounds pretty cool, right? But what would actually happen if time, the entire universe, just froze for 10 seconds? Let's dive in. First off, let's get one thing straight. If time stops, everything stops. And I mean everything. The Earth would stop spinning. The air molecules around you would freeze in place. Light particles, photons, would stop traveling. So the first thing you'd notice is nothing. Absolute darkness and total silence, because light and sound waves would be frozen mid-air. You wouldn't be able to see or hear a thing. You couldn't move either. Your brain signals would be paused, your muscles frozen. You wouldn't even be aware that time had stopped. It would be like a universal off switch was flipped. From your perspective, no time would have passed at all. You'd be frozen solid, just like everything else in the cosmos. But the real chaos begins when time restarts. Imagine everything snapping back into motion all at once. The Earth, which was spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour, would lurch back to speed instantly. Anything not bolted down to the bedrock would be flung eastward with incredible force due to inertia. Buildings would crumble, oceans would create unimaginably massive tsunamis. And what about you? Well, if you were in a moving car, it would feel like hitting a brick wall at full speed. If you were just standing still, the sudden restart of Earth's rotation would send you flying. The air molecules, once frozen, would all slam into you at once, creating a massive pressure wave, basically, a huge explosion. The sound would be deafening as all the frozen sound waves hit your ears simultaneously. And remember those frozen photons? When time restarts, all the light that was supposed to hit your eyes during those 10 seconds would arrive in a single blinding flash of intense energy. This massive burst of radiation would be catastrophic, likely incinerating everything on the surface of the planet. So, pausing time for 10 seconds? It sounds like a neat superpower, but in reality, it would be the most destructive event the universe has ever seen. The restart would be an instant apocalypse. Maybe we should be grateful that time just keeps on ticking. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending what-ifs. Thanks for watching.